KTM 2023 XC SX shock removal the easy way. Haven't seen anything quite laid out like this, so I thought I'd go ahead and post this. Basically, you're just raising the subframe up like we've done on past bikes. You can see what we leave attached. All this. Just take the tank off, silencer off, and you're pretty much ready to go. Disconnect the boot, 6mm. You can see the cables aren't pinched or anything there, and then you just have to cut zip ties here and take out the little 8mm that holds that on. Otherwise, pretty simple and straightforward. The shock mounts up with two 13mm with some blue Loctite on. Just need to remember to disconnect the fuel line, just push the little button and it'll come apart. And I'm using the Torx subframe bolt to hold the subframe up in the air. I'm just putting the shock back in, got the top bolt in, bottom bolt it's gonna go in. I just gotta raise the rear wheel a little bit and slide it in. The Loctite and the 13mm, there you go.